Mom,
Yeah.
is this leftover pot roast?
Yeah,
Can I have it?
sure. I'm glad you like it.
So juicy. I love this recipe, and it's so easy to make too.
I know,
But-
it is so easy.
Nobody makes it quite like you, Mom.
Hi guys, I'm getting ready to do a come to supper Sunday pot roast in the crock pot. It's going to be super tender, super delicious. I also, did you see the other video? I did a French dip sandwich in the crock pot. Came out amazing. And watch for my corn casserole video. That's going to be coming up very soon. So let's get started on the pot roast. So I'm getting ready to put Sunday supper in the crock pot. I'm making a pot roast. Beautiful piece of meat. I'm going to start off by putting my potatoes in. Then I'm going to put my carrots in. And then on that, I'm going to add some French onion soup mix, because I want a really nice gravy when this is all done. And then on top of that, I'm going to put this lovely chuck steak. Chuck roast, I should say. I'm calling them a chuck steak. I don't know why. Alrighty. Then on top of that, I'm going to throw some black pepper. A little bit of garlic. I would have used garlic powder, but apparently I'm out. And my favorite, beefy onion Lipton soup mix. We like lots of onions, so this is going to be really onion flavored. And I'm going to put another can, get this turned, of French onion soup mix right on top of that. That looks awesome. Then lots of onion. We like lots of onion. Put these right on top of that. And this is just going to sit in here and cook all day, and then later this evening it'll be ready and hopefully nice and tender. We'll come back then. I'm cooking this on high, by the way. So this is my Sunday come to supper pot roast. It came out beautifully. The meat is super tender, the potatoes are super tender, carrots are great. You guys need to give this a try. It's a great meal, and we'll see you next time. Look at that. Super, super tasty.